Hi, I'm Tom with Tom Adams Windows and Carpets.
Hi, my name is Pat Maloney. I'm a sales associate for Tom Adams Windows and Carpets here in Churchville.
My name is Mike Mooney. I work for Tom Adams.
If you're thinking of upgrading your home or business, you've come to the right place.
Now, one thing that I like most about Tom Adams has been the fact that it's a family-owned company and they have been part of the community here in Churchville for 70 years.
Tom Adams has one of the highest integrities out there. They don't want you to be a customer next week. They don't want you to be a customer next month. They want to get a customer for life.
With our own in-house service department full of certified installers, we ensure quality work and customer satisfaction on every job we do, with many products and services backed by lifetime warranties.
They sell products that are proven to be quality, and their installations are always top-notch.
They're going to do the right thing by everybody. So when they come out and they do a measurement, it's going to be correct. When they do an installation, it's going to be correct. If there's a problem, they're going to come out and make it right.
At Tom Adams, we're a family business that treats you like family. So when you're ready to upgrade your home or business, stop on in or give us a call. We hope to see you soon.